Look at those people. There's a bison right over there. And those people on a motorcycle getting off.
Now they're getting back on. I don't know why they didn't just go. Oh, she's chasing him. Look at this. Oh, did you get that, Garrett?
Oh my!
Did you get that?
Oh my!
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, they got it.
Oh man, they got it. Wow. They need to go like 65 miles per hour. Or get a car. That's dumb. That buffalo's not happy.
Keep it on.
That buffalo is not happy.
He's coming back. Oh, they are coming back.
Scared him.
Hit that log and scared him.
He's helping him.
He's coming back.
It's coming back. Ooh.
That's dumb. Oh, that. Oh no.
We need that on America's Funniest Home Videos. Send that.
Gee.
We need to send that.
He's coming back.
He's coming back for more.
Sideways. It's better sideways.
You take. That was
Just weird.
Look at him galloping.
so. Let's do America's Funniest Home Videos.
Why don't you just put your truck on the back? Why don't you just put your motorcycle on the back
They
of the
better
truck?
just ride along with the truck. He's coming back. Look.
Good.
You better just ride with the truck. Because that buffalo means business.
Yeah.
He's.
Oh gosh, I can't believe you pushed him over.
I think I'd leave his motorcycle there and get in a car and come back later.
Yeah.
What if he was in the back and then he jumped him?
Oh man.
I just still can't believe Willie hurt from getting pushed over. Jeez.
I need to call Mom.
Why are these people not going?
It's that stupid red car. Get off the trail and